Hello guys, okay, I have a little bit updates on my Corvette after Gingerman Midwest Festival race. This fuel tank I'm gonna remove the big 20 gallons, and that oil tank gonna go in the space of the fuel tank stock one, and over there will be 8 gallons the fuel tank over there, and this one will be empty. Okay, we are in progress. Already removed the fuel tank, and new tank is over there. Will be in the front the fire tank acceleration and the air pump. I need to cover this spot. Okay, we got some updates in the fuel tank. Relocation the compression air fuel tank and the oil tank, and we do new diffuser. Okay, we did finally update my fuel tank and oil tank. I did a little bit smallest, double small tank, like was 20 gallons, now I have 10 gallons. And install that fuel tank in the passenger seat. Oil tank I removed the stock fuel tank space. Looks like this. It's over there. It's oil tank. And let open. Okay, now how looks the back. It's no more weight on the back. got rid of that oil tank. It's new diffuser. Just need to make a drop those plates down. I'm waiting the carbon fiber plates. Corner balance was perfect, like empty weight with the full liquids, full tank. It's 2732, with me 2926. Okay,